using peptides without this ingredient cause the effect in health? Well, if you get this combo right, your entire well-aging routine can totally change. Hey there, it's Yunha. Did you catch our last video on peptides? We look into the different types and how each one works. Today, we're back with an advanced peptide guide. We're gonna break down the ingredients that double the power of peptides when used together. Of course, I've got researcher Yuna joining me again, so stay with us till the end, alright? Ready to jump in? Let's go! Peptides are short chains of amino acids. They're basically small fragments of proteins made up of two or more amino acids linked together. When it comes to skincare, they mainly work through cell-to-cell signaling, helping to stimulate collagen production, activate fibroblasts, promote wound healing, and support skin regeneration. In particular, peptides like GHKCU and Matricil are known to stimulate the production of collagen types 1 and 3, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans in the dermis, strengthening the skin's structural support. If you're curious to learn more about peptides in detail, be sure to check out our previous content. In that video, we went deep into the different types of peptides and how they work. It's a must-watch if you're diving into peptide skincare. Now, peptides are amazing on their own, but imagine if there were ingredients that, when combined with peptides, could supercharge their effect. Great ingredient plus great ingredient equals ultimate skincare happiness, right? So, once again, I asked our skincare researcher Yunha for some help. Want to find out which ingredients work best with peptides? Let's call her. Researcher Yuna, come on in! Hi, it's Researcher Yuna. I'm happy to be back again. This time, I'm gonna introduce active ingredients that create synergy with peptides, explain their skin mechanisms, and share what skin concerns they are good for. Make sure to follow along. Let's get started! The first one is vitamin C. Vitamin C, especially L-ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that works on the skin in different ways. First, it has ROS neutralizing abilities, reactive oxygen species, which are generated by UV rays, stress, and pollution, destroy collagen and cause inflammation. Vitamin C neutralizes these ROS and protects the cells from damage. It also suppresses melanin production. Vitamin C inhibits the activity of the enzyme tyrosinase, which helps reduce pigmentation. In addition, vitamin C acts as a cofactor for enzymes like prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, which are necessary for collagen production, helping collagen form a stable triple helix structure. Finally, it promotes skin turnover, which helps brighten the skin tone and smooth out the skin texture. So, how does vitamin C create synergy with peptides? Peptides stimulate fibroblasts through TGF-beta signaling to induce collagen production, while vitamin C activates collagen-producing enzymes like prolyl and lysyl hydroxylase to boost collagen synthesis. To put it simply, peptides are like the manager yelling, "Make collagen!" at the collagen factory, and vitamin C is the engineer upgrading the factory equipment so production runs more smoothly. This combo is recommended for those who are concerned about the fine lines, loss of elasticity, or dual skin tone. If you're struggling with wrinkles or sagging, how about trying out this collagen boosting duo? Next up is niacinamide. Niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, is a multitasking ingredient that improves the overall function of the skin. First, it boosts cellular energy metabolism, which increases the skin's ability to repair damage. It also promotes the synthesis of the ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol, helping to build a thicker and stronger epidermal barrier. On top of that, it blocks the transfer of the melanosomes to keratinocytes, which helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also reduces excess sebum and soothes the inflammation. So, how does it work in combination with peptides? Peptides promote the production of the collagen and elastin in the dermis, while niacinamide strengthens the skin barrier in the epidermis and prevents pigment transfer. Niacinamide is known to increase the expression of genes like FLG, IVL, and LOR, which are involved in the skin barrier formation, while peptides stimulate the synthesis of collagen types 1 and 3. In other words, peptides work from the inside to build up the firm, healthy skin, and niacinamide forms a protective outer shield. Think of the peptides as the architect building the inner frame of the house, and niacinamides as the interior designers who finishes the outer walls and facade. When used together, you get a house that's strong on the inside and polished on the outside. This combo is especially recommended for those dealing with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, oily skin, and enlarged pores, or combination skin that feels tight on the inside but oily on the surface. If you feel like your skin barrier is falling apart, why not give this combo a try, Wishtrenders? Next up is ceramide. Ceramides are a key component of the skin's lipid barrier, making up more than 50% of the lipids in the stratum corneum. They fill in the spaces between skin cells, helping to block external irritants and prevent moisture loss. This strengthens the skin barrier and protects against allergens and microbes. Ceramides also form a moisture-retaining layer to keep the skin hydrated. So, what happens when peptides meet ceramides? Peptides stimulate collagen, elastin, and structural proteins in the skin, while ceramides replenish lipids to prevent the water loss and repair the barrier. Ceramides form the intercellular lipids that hold the skin cells together, and peptides promote keratinocyte proliferation to rebuild the barrier structure. So basically, peptides strengthen the skin from within, and ceramides lock in the moisture on top. Together, they help maintain the effects of the peptides for longer while creating a calm and stable environment for the skin. In other words, peptides are like engineers building the internal structure of the skin, and ceramides are the construction team putting a roof and the outer walls on the top. This combo becomes a powerful recovery or protection solution, especially for sensitive or damaged skin. It's especially recommended for the skin that's reactive, easily flushed, suffering from a compromised barrier, post-procedural recovery, or for those with sensitive skin who felt irritation from the peptides before. Shall we move on to the final combo? The fourth combo might be a bit unexpected, is green tea extract. If your skin is sensitive but you are also concerned about aging, this pairing could be the perfect solution. The key active compound in green tea extract is EGCG, a type of polyphenol antioxidant. EGCG does a lot for the skin. It removes reactive oxidant species to reduce oxidative stress, inhibits MMPs to prevent collagen breakdown, and offers anti-inflammatory effects that help with the breakouts and redness. It also protects DNA from the damage and reduces UV-induced skin stress. In short, it plays a defensive role by slowing aging caused by the oxidative stress. So, what kind of synergy happens when peptides meet green tea extract? While peptides are working on rebuilding the skin's internal structure, green tea protects the cells from the external oxidative damage. EGCG suppresses the NF-kappa B pathway to reduce inflammation, while peptides promote cell proliferation for skin regeneration. The key here is the complementary relationship. It's all about structural regeneration from within and environmental defense from the outside. To put it simply, peptides act like builders. They help reconstruct the framework of your skin, and green tea extract is the defender, protecting your freshly rebuilt skin from the external stressors. This combo is great for those with sensitive skin who are worried about aging, people who experience frequent breakouts for stress or mask wearing, and anyone exposed to a lot of UV in their daily life. If anti-aging is on your mind, definitely give green tea extract and peptides a shot. So that wraps up our breakdown of each synergistic ingredient. Was that helpful? We even put together a simple table for Wishtrenders to screenshots and keep handy. Until next time, this was researcher Yunha. Thanks, researcher Yuna. I'm sure everyone learned a lot today thanks to you. Peptides are powerful on their own, but depending on what ingredients you pair them with, their potential can totally change. If any of the synergy combos we talked about today are already in your skincare routine, drop a comment and let us know. Or if there are ingredient combos you're curious about, leave them in the comments too. We will dive deeper into them in a future video. Wishing you all a great day of building healthy, glowing skin. See you next time. Bye!